Good morning. Welcome to Daily Market Intelligence. This is Dasari from Wealth Tree Group. So let's first of all recap what happened in the market yesterday. So Nifty was strong, and in fact it has given in a intraday correction, but still closed strong. And SGX Nifty is indicating again a gap up opening upside. US markets yesterday corrected lower, but again closed higher, indecisive. Still, the US markets are looking indecisive. Market is still sustain its gains. We can expect some more upside momentum. Let's quickly recap yesterday's recommendations. Day for yesterday, we recommended Tata Motors, which has closed higher again. Like people who took, they might have got some good profit. But still you can hold this stock with the same stop loss. And Bajaj Finance, we told that if it corrects to 6,500, it's a very good support. Yesterday, it actually came down to 6,520, 25 levels and closed almost 100 points above. Like it's closed around 6,630. So yes, again, people who took this stock can hold for the further targets. So long initial target, we said that it is going to test almost 6,850 levels is the target as of now. We have given yesterday's recommendations. One is Divis Labs. So Divis Labs also we recommended when it corrected to up to 3,360 levels. We suggested the buy, and it has exactly filled that that level, and again gone up and settled higher at 3,425. So people actually who booked profit, it's okay. But if you are holding, yes, the target can be around 3,500 levels. Divis Labs, you can hold the stock. And another stock we have given in Nifty 50 is TCS. It's closed indecisive, but the level that what we have given is got filled, and then it's closed higher only. So you can also hold this stock for this thing. And yesterday we have given 3 recommendations. One is VBL. So it has done extremely well, and then people who have took has got a very good profits, I believe. Look, it's almost close to our target level of 1,600 levels. So that is the one stock which you can book profits if you are in the position. And another stock is CZ Power. It has actually corrected and it has filled our entry level. Yeah, you can actually hold this stock with the given stop loss below 305. And yeah, there is a small pullback, but still this stock can go up further. Then SBI card, that is what we have asked you to take an entry near 800, 810 levels. It's closed with a good bullish note, and it is looking strong, and then it can achieve the given targets of 840 levels. So this is the recap of yesterday's recommendations. And even previous days recommendations also, you can actually hold with the same stops given. Yes, you can actually book profits with the targets where we mentioned. And today we recommend in Nifty 50. Before going through that, actually, let us look into the Nifty. What's happening to Nifty? This is what happened to Nifty yesterday. It has got a pull back, pull down almost 200 levels, 18,200 levels. And from there, it's bounced back and closed around 18,315 levels. With a good bullish note, and now we can expect a gap up opening of 30-40 points where it can test the target, the initial target of 8,450 levels. If it closes strongly above 18,500, then yes, it can even test the previous historical highs. As of now, yes, it's buying in a dip is the strategy for the index. And Bank Nifty was looking vulnerable yesterday. It has come down almost. It has broken the support of 43,000 and came down to almost 42,800 levels. But from there, it has recovered and then it has closed again upside about 43,300 levels. Now, initial resistance can be around 43,500, which we were mentioning yesterday also. So that level, if it breaks, I think it is very nearby to historical highs of almost 44,200 levels, where it can actually test those levels if it closes strong above 43,500 levels today. Yeah, let us get into the daily recommendations of today. So one stock in Nifty 50 is Reliance, which is looking strong. So there is a resistance at 2450, 460 levels, and it has broken, and yesterday it has closed at 2496 levels. And if we can actually suggest you to buy this stock around 2480, 2470 with a stop loss below 2440, and target can be around 2540, the first target, and the second target can be 2600 for the stock. Yeah, it's looking strong, and in a intraday dip, actually you can buy this stock. And another stock what we can suggest is Azure Motors. So it has consolidated and looking very strong, and took support nearby around 3360 levels, and it has closed around above 3400 levels. So you can actually buy the stock around 3400 levels with a stop loss below 3350, and immediate target can be around 3486, 3500 looks like target. So you can actually maintain strict stops, because when in bullish rallies, sometimes markets correct sharply by profit taking. So we suggest you to keep the stops, strict stops which are given. And another one stock which we recommend selling is the UPL. So the quarterly results are not that good, and stock has given a breakout downside by breaking almost 695 levels, which is a very, very crucial support previously. And now it has closed almost at 680 levels. So now actually in any pullback around 690, 688 to 690 levels, you can actually sell the stock with a stop loss above 700, and target can be around 650 levels. So obviously either you can buy some puts, or you can actually short this stock with the stop above 700 levels. So this is one stock which looks weak, and then we can expect it to fall further. And let us get into the cash delivery recommendations. So one stock which is given breakout is Equitas Bank. It's a small bank, but it has given a very good breakout upside at 77 levels. So if it pulls down to 78, 77 levels, you can buy the stock with a stop loss below 72, and target can be around 85 levels for the stock initially, and it can further actually rally. So buy in a dip at the support of 78, 77 with a stop loss below 72, and wait for further upside targets. And HSCL previously also we recommended, and it has given a small correction after quarterly results. Quarterly results were very good. It is Himadri Specialty Chemicals. So it's again closed upside above 120. So you can actually buy the stock around 118 to 120 levels with a stop loss below 112. You can make it a stop loss, and targets can be around 140, 145 for this stock in coming days. So these two are the delivery stocks that we can recommend. So let us quickly look into the commodities. So as we said yesterday, like crude oil actually could not break above 6,100, and it has closed down. People who sold the stock can book the profit, and if it breaks below 875, 5,875 levels, then there is a further fall we can expect in this in the commodity. But yes, 6,100 is the benchmark level to watch. If it closes above that, yeah, market may turn bullish again. So otherwise, 5,870 levels is a support. Once it breaks, it can even test around 5,600 levels. And gold and silver are like, so let us look into the gold. It's again same range. That's what we are telling. It is in a range bound trade, and it is trading sideways between 61,700 to 60,500 levels. So now if the first support looks at 60,500 levels, if that breaks, maybe it can even test 59,500, which is a long-term support. And silver actually, like, this is also same thing, like it is in consolidation in this range, and now it is wait for a dip to buy, where 74,000 levels is a very good level to watch to buy for silver if it holds those levels. And copper actually, like, it is given correction. Like day for yesterday, we mentioned 760 levels is a very strong resistance. If it fails to break, it will come down. It has come down to 745, and again next target can be around 730 levels. So actually, you can short copper with a stop loss above 752 to 53 levels, and wait for a target of 732 to 730 levels. And natural gas is another commodity where it's in a range bound trade. Like, yeah, it's in the small range of almost 190 to 170. This 20 rupees range is the trading range for natural gas as of now. And if it fails to break above 185 today, you can actually short for a target of 172 levels, 172, 172 levels. And today, I think there is a data also, that inventory data also will be released. So we can see some kind of volatility at that time. But yes, stop loss above 185 and target downside can be around 170. This is what, and maintain strict stop loss as commodity markets are moving volatile in intraday. So without stop loss, please don't trade. So this is all about like today's market intelligence. Markets are looking strong, and then every dip is a buy now. And the stocks which have delivered Q4 good results, those are the stocks that you should look into. And actually, and whatever recommendations so far we have given, all the stocks are performing well. And then please maintain stop losses and hold the stocks and book the profits at the given targets. Thank you. Have a happy trading day.